Hello everybody, welcome to Persian with Mahtab. Today's lesson is another Persian sound, ل sound. ل غیر آخر، ل آخر. ل is exactly like L in English, but it has two forms, ل غیر آخر coming at the beginning of the word and in the middle, and ل آخر only comes at the end of the word. Let's see how do we write le. Look at here. We start up to bottom, come to the line and continue on the line. Le. This le, as I told you, is in the initial and in the middle position. Salad. You see, salad in the middle, but lab, lips at the beginning and in the initial position. So, lab and le آخر, you see in two words, مبل and پول. پول is money. Le آخر, look the way I write. Up to bottom, go below the line and come and reach to the line. ل غیر آخر، ل آخر. ل come at the beginning and in the middle, but ل آخر only at the end of the word. ل آخر can take the hand of previous sound but not the next. Not the next and at the end, like mobile and pool. Now let's go to our table of friendship to connect le to other sound to see what words we have and how we connect to the previous and to the next sound. Let's go. This is our table of friendship. Now I write le here because it is consonant. Le غیر آخر، ل آخر. Let's how to connect these with our vowel sounds and make words. The first ل and a will be la. ل and a will be la. La like مثل salad. Salad. By the way, how we connect le to a? Look the way I connect. First we write le, but we don't go bottom to up. We bring a up to bottom. Salad. Le and a will be la. La we have in the word lap. We have in the word lap. Look. Le and be آخر. Lap. And police. When we reach to E, I will tell you. Le and U will be lu. And le and o will be lo. Le and e will be li. The second form will be li. We have li in the word police. Look the way I write the way I write police. Write the tooth for pe, go up, come down and write le, then the tooth for e and 3 teeth for sin and return back, 3 dots for pe, 2 dots for e. Police. Police. I write o at the beginning when you are newcomer to Persian. Police. And this li you have in sandali that I haven't thought, just Look how I connect le to e. You write le, then e آخر صندلی. And le and e, we will have le and le. Now let's go to your homework to see what word you should write as a homework for le. غیر آخر, le آخر. Your homework for le will be le. غیر آخر, le آخر, le. غیر آخر, le آخر. Write one line. Salad. Salad. One line. Lab. Lab. One line. Police. Police. And look the way I write mobile. Write me. One tooth for B. Go up, return down, and write le آخر. Mobile. By the way, subscribe to more videos and share these videos with friends or those who know they want to learn Persian. See you in the next videos.